Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you how I created this beautiful and glam lighted weeping willow using some Dollar Tree items and a couple of items I got on Amazon. I will have all the links for the Amazon products in the description box below. I found these spring branches at the Dollar Tree and I will just be removing all of the leaves from this branch. And painting this in a metallic gold color. Now taking some Mod Podge, I'm just going to coat my entire branch. And using some of this extra fine glitter, I'm just going to be coating my entire branch with this fine glitter. Then I will be setting all my branches aside to dry. Now, when I return the actual branch to these stems, I'm going to be coating that and sprinkling it with glitter as well to mask where the branch and the actual stem meet. Taking some of this silver floral wire and I'm just going to be tying all of my stems together. Now I'm going to be doing this for 3 of my bouquets, and then for my other 3 bouquets I'm going to be tying all 3 of them together. Here's this cardboard tube. This cardboard tube came from the long glow-in-the-dark sticks from Dollar Tree, and that's what I'll be using as the stem for my tree. And so I'm taking some of these mirrored tiles and I'm just going to be wrapping this cardboard with the mirrored tiles, and I will have the link for these tiles in the description box below. Now taking 3 of these wire LED lights from the Dollar Tree. Now the Dollar Tree is now carrying 16 light string lights, and I have 3 of those, and I'll just be stringing those through the inside of the tube, and then taking the remaining plastic piece and I will be taping that to the bottom of my cardboard tube. Now you want to leave enough room on your cardboard tube for it to go inside of the floral foam. And then I will be taking 3 of my bouquets that I have wired together. I'm going to insert that at the top of my tube. And then I will be gluing the remainder of my bouquets onto the side of this piece. Now, I did have to cut off the bottom piece of these 3 extra bouquets, but if you find a tube big enough in which you can stuff all 6 of your bouquets, you don't have to worry about cutting off the bottom piece. That is just something I had to do because my cardboard tube wasn't large enough to fit all 6 bouquets. Now here I'm just covering those extra pieces with some more mirror tiles. Using this mirrored box that I created, and the bottom is just foam board, and I also lined the sides with the small mirrored tiles. I'm taking this great key that I got on Amazon, and I will be lining each mirrored side with one of these mirrored designs. So this is a piece of the leftover chopping mat, and I'm just going to be using that to create the top for my plant base. And so I'm measuring the center, then I will be cutting that out. And then with some scissors, I'm going to create a slit. I'll be using these bags to secure the floral foam into place, then setting my battery packs on top of those bags. So here I have my piece of chopping mat, and I'm just going to place that on, and then taking some of these ice crystals, then I will just be gluing this down to my chopping mat, and I'm going to be starting with the outside perimeter and then working my way in. So here's the finished top, and I'll be able to lift this and then turn on and off my battery packs. And I will be adding an extra light here just to make the crystal shine. So let me know down below, what are your thoughts on this piece? I think it's so unique and definitely a beautiful statement piece. So I want to thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time, and I will talk to you in the next one.